In this video, we're going to go over the KW app, and we're going to go from the beginning and a quick overview. So if this is your first time using the app, if you're an agent or a consumer, you're going to click on KW, and when you download this app from your agent so that it's branded to them, you want to make sure that you actually do sign up for an account. Now, many of our agents think that they already have a login. You don't. This is a brand new consumer experience. So you're going to want to sign up. Nice is this is simple and easy, so I'm going to go ahead and sign in as James since I'm already in the system, and I'm going to use another email address that I have. I'll put in my own password and I'm going to sign up. Now, there's two great things that happen with this. As the agent, you're going to actually get a notification that this is a new lead that has came into command, and it's all signed up, and now you're ready to explore and unlock all these different things. You will also get access by email and lead a notification, and you'll see the notifications inside of command. If this is your first time using the app, let me give you a quick overview, and then we're going to deep dive all the different features in the next series of videos. So first thing you're going to notice is it pulled up where I am. You can see the little blue dot. You can always hit the little arrow here in the upper corner, and it will recenter. Now, all these little notes of the names, like the Corals in Oakland Park, Kings Park, Coral Ridge Country Club, those are neighborhoods from Nextdoor. Now, the only data we get from Nextdoor, by the way, is just the map of it. The rest of the data will come from a combination of an artificial intelligence company that we source, the MLS, all that different data will come in, schools, Yelp, all that is built in right here with Exploring Neighborhoods. And that's something no other app has right now on the planet. So that's something that you can highlight and focus in your area if you have the maps. Now, this is only for the US or wherever Nextdoor is. So if you want to see if your map is going to show up or work with Nextdoor, you can download the app or go to nextdoor.com and see what the boundary maps are. That's one of the first things to notice. Here at the bottom, I've got my searching. I've got a feed that will come in later as you start actually doing things, save searches, collaborating with people. This is where kind of like a news feed inside of Facebook will start showing up. I've got built-in buyers and seller guides. Now, these are going to come from my agent who's going to set these, and I'm able to actually see these things here and go through the buying and selling process inside the app. I have a place to save all of my listings. I haven't saved any yet, and I can create what's called a collection of saved. I've got the More button here, and I've got more information around my agent. I can view the profile of my real estate agent and learn more information about them. I could even hit the Refer button and share this with people that I know, family, friends. The ability to add a co-buyer. This is your ability to actually add somebody to collaborate with while you're actually searching for properties and to be able to share with them and communicate with them. The history of everything you've looked at within the search of the app as you start using it. Built in, we have the savings with Keller Covered, which is our home insurance shopping company, and it allows you to shop around and your ability to save up to 30% on homeowners insurance and even renters insurance, if you didn't know that. Keller Mortgage is our ability to save thousands on a loan. And if you didn't know enough about Keller Mortgage, you will learn that it actually has the ability of working with VA, FHA, USDA, conventional loans, and jumbo loans up to $3 million. So don't think it doesn't work for your clients. It is available in 49 states, everywhere but New York, which is coming soon. These are built in, guys. The new Affordability Calculator, so I can say what my income is, my debt, my credit score, down payment, kind of look at all this stuff, and I can see what is the kind of price range to be my affordable range versus stretching and aggressive. So I think this is a powerful tool as well to share. My favorite is the ability to share the app. So anyone that you share this with, you can teach them how to share their family and friends. So if I wanted to text this to my mom, I could actually click here, and right there, it'll actually have the link and all that stuff branded to the agent automatically. Got some information here, legal, and then you can sign out as well. That's the quick overview of there. You've got your simple ability to search by your price. You can take this little lever, and maybe I'm looking for homes under 675. Hit the done button. There we go. I've got my property types, so maybe I'm only looking for houses. I've also got under more the ability to manage these things plus the map, so I can switch to a satellite view if I want to see better of the area. I've also got the ability to do more here under this more of specific bedrooms. I want a two minimum. I'm looking for a specific size. Keywords, I can do something like pool. So this will work for the pool. And we're adding more keyword searches as we go through. So within this neighborhood, only these homes have an actual pool. And as you can see from the photo, there is the pool of that property. I've got the ability to do these things. I like also the ability to see price reduction in the last 7 days or open house only. You can also clear your filters if you want to clear this and resume just searching for everything. You've also got for sale, active, pending, coming soon. New construction is a new feature. If it is in the MLS as new construction, as we get more sources in, this will allow your consumer to search for new construction. Foreclosures and short sales, we know there are not many of them, but they are an option if they are flagged in the MLS that way. You've also got the ability, if you turn off for sale, to search by rent. So I can actually come in the same neighborhood and see, oh, I could rent in here instead for $3,500, a home with a pool, because that's the criteria I told it. And I can actually see what's available for rent in the area as well. And if you didn't know, you can also search by landmark. I could search for the White House. There we go. And as we're searching into election time, I can also see what neighborhoods are nearby. Remember, I have it on rent. I'm going to flip it from rent back to for sale. Nice and easy to use. The ability to search by landmarks is something no one else has right now in their app. I've compared them all. If you haven't seen it yet, check out the video on the comparison between the different apps. I have my ability to find my home, and I'm looking at homes out of the state. Here I am looking at a property in Washington, D.C. This is a condo, and here's the neat thing. We actually have Keller Mortgage Savings built in. We're going to come back to my area. I'm going to click on one of the homes here in Florida. Here we go, home under 500,000. It just had a price reduction. You can see that little negative $1,000. I can see some information about this home. I can add it to a favorite. So I'll just save it to my favorite. I can add notes if I want. I can also save up to $4,400 on the next loan, save up to 30% on home insurance. Details of the home are here. If it's a condo, they have added HOA, more about the neighborhood that I didn't know about it, what people say about living in this area, walkability score. I can add a commute time, so I can add my place of employment. There we go. I will add my office here, and now I can see it is a 3-minute drive from my work. And I can pull up that information, nearby schools, student-teacher ratio, any upcoming open houses, again, the mortgage payment, and what it's going to be here. Activity on this home, 8 people have viewed this home so far. As we start having more people search in our app, this number will keep going up, and other nearby homes for sale that I might like. I love the ability to schedule a video tour if I need to, so I can actually schedule by Zoom, FaceTime, Google Hangouts, whatever works best for the client, or in person, and select time that might work. And I can ask my agent questions. It already has my information pulled in. I can say, hey, Jay, submit this, and it will go to my agent, and he'll give feedback back. So that's just a quick overview of what this app can do. We're going to deep dive each of these different things as we go forward. Thanks so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, give it a like. Leave a comment below. I'd love to hear from you. And as always, follow me on KW Connect and YouTube today.